Good morning, I'm Merin and welcome back to my channel. It's 6 in the morning and me along with my family and my pet Luna, I'm traveling to Dapoli for the weekend. We have just left from Mumbai and it's around 5.5 hour drive from Mumbai without breaks. However, we will be taking a few breaks as we gotta accommodate Luna's schedule as well. We are staying in Dapoli for the next 3 days and will be exploring the beaches, forts, seafood and mango orchards. Dapoli is 222 kilometers to the southern coast of Maharashtra and falls in the Konkan region. It is quite a developed city offering some amazing clean beaches to explore and great seafood. We are, however, traveling during the monsoon season and expecting rains. It is the end of the August month right now. We are traveling via Kolad. We have booked a stay at the Fern Samali Resort, which is a pet-friendly resort in Dapoli. I will be taking you on a room tour and showing you parts of the property as well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get more trip ideas. We've just stopped now for a break and it's around 8:30 a.m. and we're at Sunny Dhaba at Kolad and we will leave from here in another 5 minutes or so. Luna's having her own time. We have finally reached in Dapoli. Our hotel check-in is not before 1 p.m. and it is only 12 p.m. right now. We are extremely hungry, so made a stop at this pet-friendly restaurant called Nisarg near Murud beach. So this restaurant opens to the Murud beach in the front. It's too hot right now, so we will make way to the beach a while later. Look, Luna's found a friend. We are right now at Hotel Nisarg, which is a pet-friendly restaurant with a beautiful view of the sea. Oh my god, look at this delicious seafood thali. I'm having fried pomfret thali. It's quite reasonable, priced at rupees 220 a thali, which includes rice, chapati, fish and sol curry as well. We are now leaving to the Fern Samali Resort in Dapoli. It's at a hilltop. And this is the parking. We have just entered the lobby and we have been welcomed with a refreshing juice. Luna is super excited already. The property is huge with different types of rooms. They have rooms starting at 5,000 a night. We are staying in the Lilian Cottage as that's the only cottage where pets are allowed. So you may have to call them up before you make your booking. It costs 7,000 rupees a night for the Lilian Cottage. We got a really good deal because we got the 2+1 offer, because of which our third night is for free. However, depending on peak season, the prices may also vary. Also, I would recommend to book it directly through them to get a good deal. We got breakfast included with ours as well.
What about the leopard?
She didn't notice it on you. Here's the room tour.
So we have already set up the bed and everything for her.
Oh, that's really nice. Wow. You're so lucky. This is so sweet. Yes. Sure likes it. Wow, this cottage has an open bathroom concept. I actually didn't know about this when we booked because all we cared about was to find a pet friendly accommodation. And the balcony is amazing as it opens up to a garden. I hope you loved that room tour and are excited to see more of this property. It's more than 30 acres of land that they've converted into this beautiful, peaceful location to relax at, and I think it's a best staycation that you can have with your pets as well. I mean, even if you don't have a pet, this place is worth staying. So I'm gonna freshen up a bit now. I'm so tired after the 7-hour journey, so I'm gonna like freshen up and then we might go for a short tour of this property. They also gave us this pet track that we can take the pet around and go to a mango orchard that we may go for right now or a little later because Luna is a bit tired right now. She's not even using the bed that they've so nicely made for her because she's so heated up. And so after she's a little more energetic, we'll just take her around in the property and show you guys more of the property around. And then in the evening we may go to the beach for sunset, or they also said that the sunset from the balcony is really beautiful, so we might think about one of these two things today. We are still here for another 2 nights, so there's so much to do here. See you guys in some time. You can actually see the sea from here. That's the sea there. So we decided to just catch up on our sleep and explore the property today. They have their own private mango orchard which we will be visiting. We are just entering the mango orchards in Dapoli. Currently there are no mangoes on the tree as it's not the season for it. The property also has a pool and play area for kids. Subscribe to my channel to get notified about my next video from Dapoli, where we will be covering the best beaches around Dapoli and a fort. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then please click on the like button and share it with friends and family. Thanks for watching.